Hello and namaskar. What is important for our life? What is that thing which connects us to life? We all know it's water. What is more important for our life? That's our family, that's money. But more than that, it is the water that we drink which keeps us healthy and alive. There are 5 elements, we all know that. And these 5 elements are there in earth and also in our body. And what are those? That's water, air, fire, earth and minerals, which is also called space element. But the science says that 70 to 72% water is there in earth and the same amount is present in our human body. So what is important? For us to be alive, be healthy. It is the water. So today we are going to talk about a product which has revolutionized the South Korean market since past 28 years, and now it has come up to India and to change Indian market and how we drink water. So the product is called Keva. So here the company name is Keva and the product, the mighty product name is Keva Next Generation Water Ionizer Machine. This is not only for the next generation but generation for all. Whether you are 60-year-old or an infant boy or a girl, it is for all. The water keeps us alive. So here today we are going to check that how this product is revolutionizing the whole market. It has done it in South Korea and now it is come to India to revolutionize the way we drink water. See, WHO, the World Health Organization, always said that it is the water which is causing 90% of the disease in human body. The World Health Organization has said it once again during the COVID pandemic. There are a lot of people have died. Unfortunate, very unfortunate. But not only that, forget about pandemic. Even now, a lot of people are dying. They are taking medicine, pills, etc. because of water. They are having problems because of RO water, and that is something that we have always trusted. The packed drinking water. We have always trusted it. But is it working? Is it really working for us? We are going to test that. We are going to look at the demo today and we are going to prove that whether it is working or not. And not only that, the RO drinking water, is it helping? Actually, it is causing a lot of disease in our body because RO was actually made for the ships. But inland, we are still drinking RO water, which is also extracting the minerals from the water, causing arthritis, diabetes, and there are many health issues. It is the RO which is actually causing us issues. But so the question is, what do we drink? In the ancient time, and even if we look at last 50 years or 40 years or something, people used to still go to Ganga. People used to take water from the pond and they used to drink. Even some celebrities, they bring water from different countries and they drink it even now. What about the rest of the people who don't have much money? What about the common people? So here there is one product, one mighty product, which is going to help all the Indians, and not only Indians. I'm sure that it is going to revolutionize the whole world coming in the years to come. So today we are going to have a demo of how this product will help you so that you can trust, I can trust, and how the water that you are drinking right now, the packed drinking water that we all buy when we travel, when we go here and there, we buy that, trusting that product. But does that work? We are going to check that. So let's look at the demo. This machine, this mighty machine is called Keva. You can see that. There's a showstopper today. Now, this machine has got 27 different patents. Out of that, this one patent is this sliding door. Wow, this looks so good, right? And under that, it has carbon filter. The other one is UF. And apart from that also, here we have this product, this machine which helps to electrolyze the water, and it has this titanium built plates, different plates, and it has platinum coating in it, which helps to electrolyze the water. And this is the benefit of this product, which you are not going to get in any other product like this. Why am I saying that? We are going to check the demo, and why I'm confident that this product will revolutionize the way we drink water. Not only that, this product has 2.5 to 11.5 pH level and 4 alkaline water types, 4 acidic and 1 purified. So this is the benefit of this product, and this is the product which is going to help you benefit your body and help you fight the health issues. There are many health issues that this product can help you with, and I'm sure that there are more than 90 different health issues which I can count on. So next we are going to see that how this product will benefit you, and we are going to check the demo of how this product will show the alkaline properties, the pH levels and more. So let's check out. So here we are going to extract water from this machine, this ionizer machine, and see how this product, this water, and the water that we usually buy from the market and we trust the most, let's compete with both of it and see. So I'm going to switch on this electrolyzer machine, which is Keva electrolyzer machine. Now this machine is being switching on, and we know the importance of water, what importance the water is. In Hindi we always say that Jal hi Jeevan hai. Even the WHO says that water is important. Even if you don't eat food, it's fine, but you cannot be alive without water, right? So it's important. Let's check out that our machine and the RO, something that we trust always, right? Let's compete and see which one is giving you more benefit, and you're going to see that, and you are going to trust on your eyes. Let's check. So this is one packed drinking water that we always buy, and this one is the machine, right? Let's take water from it, okay? And we are going to test it through the demo. And not only one, okay? We are going to show you different demos of different things which is there in your kitchen, right? Be ready for that. So I'm going to pour this water in it, okay? And we're going to test this machine. So it is being filled up. By the time you can see this, this is what you buy all the time, and this is something I'm sure that you are going to use it in future. This is the future of water, right? Okay, so now we are pouring this water in this bottle that you can see, and in front of you we are going to test how this water is beneficial for all of us, all the human beings. So let's check that. Here the water has come up, and I'm going to switch off this machine in front of you, in front of your eyes. Okay, now I have this water, and I also have this so-called mineral water that we buy from the market, right? Okay, we have both of it, and we are going to have a competition in it. So I have these two glasses, okay, and we are going to check the ORP, which is oxidation reduction potential, this device, okay, and we are going to check that what it shows. See, ORP should always be below 1. It is 0 or it should be in minus. So let's see. Okay, so here the first thing, let's give a benefit to this one, right? First pick it up. We always say that ladies first, so let's call it ladies. All right, so check this one, right? Okay, so I'm going to pour this water in this one. So this is the water that we get from the market, and here we have today's showstopper, okay, which is Ionizer machine's water that we have just extracted, and I'm keeping it over here in front of you. Watch it closely. So this is the ORP machine, which will help us to see how the water is. Remember, the reading should always be in minus. So here, the first thing we have is the water that we buy from the market, so-called the RO. Okay, the first check that. Okay, now I have switched it on. And wow, you can see that it is in positive. Okay, it is showing 100 plus. That means, is it right? No, ORP should always be negative. Is this one negative? No, absolutely not. It is going really high. And this is something that we buy from the market, trusting the product, even at a higher price. God knows what are we buying. And now we are going to test the same machine in the water that we have. That is Keva next generation Ionizer machine. Okay, and wow, it is showing minus 734 and still increasing. Okay, and it can go up till 800 to 900. That is in minus. Okay, so that means this is something that you should buy, you should go for, right? The marketed product plus the product that no one knows and trusted in South Korea, now come up to India, minus. All right, so this is the first step. We are going to have more, okay, just to make sure that we are absolutely sure about that this is the product which should be there in your home, in your office, in your factory. Let's check that. Okay, so step 2, demo number 2. Now we are going to check the pH level of this water. These two waters, okay? We are going to check that which one is better, which one has a better pH value. How do we check that? So we have this liquid which will help us to test the pH level. So this one, as we have checked earlier, okay, is the water that we get from the market, and this one is our water, which is Keva next generation, right? Ionizer machine's water. Okay, so we're going to check that first. All right, so I'm going to pour a few drops in both of it and check which one is alkaline and which one is acidic and what does it show. Okay, so I'm going to pour few drops in front of you, and once again few drops in front of you in this one. Wow, it is changing the color. You can see that. It's a royal color, it seems. What is it? And we are going to stir it just to make sure that you understand. So first I have stirred it in the water that we get from the market. Okay, and this is the Keva water, Ionizer machine's water, and you can check both the colors. Okay, I'm going to just put it in front of you just to make sure that you check it. This is Keva's next generation Ionizer water, and this one is the RO water that we mostly buy from the market. You can see that, the alkaline properties. And how do we check that? You can Google it. Not only that, I'm going to show you a chart, right? And not only that, you can also buy the chart, or you can check it in Google and you can compare it at your home. So here, I'm going to put this one right here, and this one, the Keva's water, right here. I've just interchanged, okay, just to give you a better chart benefit. So this is the pH chart. You can see the more red is acidic. Yes, this is something acidic. Now you can check that it's kind of yellowish, right? So this pH chart shows pH 5 or 6, something like that. Okay, this means the water that we buy from the market is acidic. What are you buying? You're not buying water, you're buying acid. And what about the Ionizer, the Keva's next generation Ionizer machine? You can see that it's very much purple. Okay, so this is alkaline. Alkaline has the mineral properties which goes inside our stomach, in our body, and it helps us be good, be healthy, and it also helps us in aging. So you have checked it in front of you. I'm just keeping in front of you right here so that you can check, you can compare it, both of you. You can see that. So this is the second demo that we have checked. Now we are going to check more. Are you hungry? I'm sure that you want to see more, right? So let's check more. Okay, so we have checked two different demos. I'm sure that you need more, right? You are more hungry. So we are going to check the next step, the third step, where we are going to check the hydrogen properties in both the waters. The one that we buy from the market, we have trusted all our life, right? This one. So first pour it in the glass. Okay. And the next one, the mighty Keva's next generation ionizer machines water that we are testing now. I have poured it in the glass. And now I have this drop which will help us see the hydrogen properties in both these waters. So I'm going to put a few drops in it. Okay. And in this one also. Wow. Just changing colors. Now this one is Keva's water, the ionizer water. And this one is the water that we mostly buy from the market. You can see the color. It is completely blue. And this one, I believe I can drink it right now. It is completely transparent. That means, so hydrogen properties in this one is really balanced. But this one, I think I can throw it out. Okay, so we have tested two different things. You need more? We are going to check the fourth step. We are going to check the 4 sample. Okay, kept here. Okay, so now we have checked how the hydrogen shows in the water. Now the colors we have checked, this is Keva's next generation water, which is Ionizer's machines water, and this one is the market. Okay, so we are going to test that how much time does it take to dissolve. Okay, so we are going to keep it on top of it, okay, and keep on watching. By the time, I'm sure that you want to check more. So we are going to test the next microcluster in a water, okay, and for that we are going to get into the kitchen. Okay, I'm sure the ladies would love that, some gents also. Okay, so we are going to put 2 glasses over here. And what are we taking? Oh, cumin, right? Cumin. A lot of people, they use cumin. They keep cumin in the water all night and drink it in the morning for their stomach, right? This is Ayurveda. So I'm going to put some of it in both the glasses. Okay, and here also. Now this is mostly marketed water. Okay, what we get in the market. Pouring it. And now Keva's next generation ionizers machines water. And in this one. Wow! The moment I put this water, you can see the color in front of you. But this one, it is floating on top. I don't know what happened to this one. It is still floating. Okay, but this one, you can see how it's changing color. That means the microcluster has been dissolved in this water and it is keep on doing it. So I'm sure that if we keep it in for some time, it will be more yellowish. But this one, it's still floating on top. So this is another example how Keva's next generation water ionizer machines water is helping not only on the hydrogen part, pH level, TDS, but this one also, microcluster, which is the most important thing. Okay, so even if, let's say that you want to use this cumin water, drink it for some medicinal purpose, you can just put water in a glass, put this cumin and drink it. You don't need to wait all night. Okay, why will you wait all night? Do it now. So this is another example. Let's check more. Are you excited? Let's check. Okay, so we have just now checked the microclusters, okay, using the cumin, which is always there in our kitchen. But there are more things which is lying in our kitchen, isn't it? What's next? In our Indian home, there is one thing which is always important, and that is turmeric, right? That is once again used in Ayurveda. So we are going to use that and check the alkaline properties. Yes, alkaline property. Alkaline property is something that you are going to miss it in the RO water. Why? Because RO means it flushes out everything. It just eats up. There is no vitamin D in it. So we are going to check right now using the turmeric and how it performs. Let's see that. So once again, 2 more glasses in front of you. This is turmeric. A spoon of turmeric over here. A spoon of turmeric over here. Now, this is the marketed water that we mostly get in the market. Okay, the RO water. I'm pouring the water in this glass in front of you. You can see the color. And then we have Keva's next generation ionizer water. And in this glass, let me stir it a bit in front of you, and this one. And you can see both the colors. It's like 2 different juices, right? This is the most alkaline water, which is good for our health, good for our body, good for our aging. And this one, this water is something that we mostly buy at home, at office, at the market. So this is another example of how alkaline properties in this water helps us retain our body, retain our aging, and help us be more healthy. You want more examples to show? We have more things lying in the kitchen, so let's check more, right? Let's check. Okay, so we have checked how microcluster dissolves in the water using the cumin, right? So let's check one more example, isn't it? So now something we are going to take is something that we take early in the morning, okay, in the evening, in the afternoon. I mean, this is something that the Indians can't live about. That's water. That's one more thing, and that's this tea bags, right? Tea. Okay, so we are going to check one more example using the tea bags. 2 glasses in front of you. I'm going to put this tea bag in both the waters. The first one is the RO water that we usually buy in the glass. The second example is our Keva's water, which is ionizer water. So first example, okay, I'm going to put this one is the water that we mostly buy, the RO water. I'm going to dip it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times, right? You can see how does it look like. Can you drink tea or maybe green tea without a hot water? Not possible with this one. Can we check the example with our water? That is ionizer water, which is of Keva. And we are going to do the same exercise once again with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow. I think I'm going to be healthy now because I don't need to waste my time to hotten up the water. Do I? I can drink it right now. You can see the color. This is another example of microcluster, how it has been dissolved in this water. And you can see this another example, which is the normal water that we usually buy. So we have checked 2 examples of how microclusters can be dissolved in this water using cumin and this green tea or the tea that we usually use. You're going to check more examples. I'm sure that you are looking after that, right? Let's check that. We have checked the example of how alkaline water works in both of it, right? Now let's check one more example. But now, this time, I'm not going to take anything from your kitchen. Something that I'm sure that you must have used it, okay? But I'm sure that you don't need to use it. And that is the betadine, okay? I'm sure that you know how much acidic this is, right? Very much. So we are going to use this. I'm going to open it. Take this dropper. With the help of this dropper, I have taken a few drops of it. And I have 2 glasses in front of me, okay? I'm going to put a few drops in it. And over here as well. And then I'm going to pour water, which we usually buy from the market, in the first glass. And then our water, which is Keva's Ionizer water, in the second glass, right in front of you. And wow! Do you see the colors? My God! This is the most acidic product, betadine. See the water that we usually buy. It is yellowish. I mean, this I can use as toilet cleaner. Okay, but this one, I don't see the color. Maybe a few drops of it. It is crystal clear. So this is once again a very good example of how Keva's product, that is this ionizer machine, is the mighty product which is going to revolutionize the Indian market and change the way we drink water. This is not acidic anymore. Okay, so we have checked many examples over here. You can check it, and you can still check this. It is still clean, and this one still bluish. Okay, I'm sure that you need more examples. Do you want to see that? Let's check. I'm sure that you have too much of demand. We'll fulfill that. Let's check one more. So we have checked how betadine has changed the color. Okay, you can check this color. This is very much acidic, isn't it? But this one is very nice. What if you have gone to a marriage ceremony or some ceremony, you have eaten too much, okay, and there is acidity? What you do? We usually take pills. Is it right? Do we need to do that? Well, in future you don't need to, because here is Keva. Keva's next generation ionizer water. Okay, so what if I take this water, and this is very much acidic water, isn't it? We have checked that using betadine. I'm going to put water in this one and see what happens. Do you want to see the magic? Do you? Okay, let's see that. I have taken this one in front of you, and I'm going to pour water in this one to see what happens. And wow, this is really a magic. Am I some magician? Well, you can name me. I don't mind. But the real magician is Keva's next generation ionizer water machine. Wow. Betadine has been dissolved in this. Okay. Right? So this is another example that now if you want to go to a marriage ceremony and have a bhangra and want to dance and then want to eat too much, you just need this water. 1 glass, and within a few minutes, you will be ready to eat again. You like that? I'm sure that I like it. I'm sure that you are also going to like it. We have checked many examples, right? All the way from the kitchen and the other things like betadine, which is medical related, okay, to check how this water performs. And I'm sure that by now you are satisfied. But I'm still going to show you one more thing out from your kitchen. When we go anywhere, when we eat food, the doctors always say, what? Reduce oil. But do you need to? Okay. We are going to take this mustard oil and check how this mustard oil can perform in the water and see the process of emulsification. So we have 2 glasses right in front of you. In the first glass, I'm going to pour this oil in front of you. Okay. And then the next one, the oil, which is there in front of you. The first water that I'm taking is something that we always drink, right? As of now, I'm sure that you are going to change the way we drink water and the water that we drink. So here I'm going to pour it. Oh my God. The process of emulsification. Is it working? Not in this one. But can we check the other one? The one that we have, which is, by now I'm sure that you know the name, which is Keva. Keva's next generation ionizer water machines, Mighty Water. And I'm going to pour this water in this one and see the process. Wow, I think this looks like juice, right? It has already started the process of emulsification. So now, do you need to eat pills when you go to any marriage ceremony? Eat what you want. You don't need to visit any doctor, do you? Eat and then drink this water, which is of Keva's next generation water ionizer machines water. And you see the difference in front of you. This is the normal water that you usually buy, and this is the one which is Keva's, okay, the Mighty Water. Right now, so far, we have checked so much of difference, right? Even right now, when you bring fruits at your home, what happens? You know how much pesticides and things are there in those fruits, and you try to wash it, aren't you? But how do you wash it? Now, what you can do, you can take Keva's water and put all your fruits in it, leave it for some time, and I'm sure that it will be cleaned, as you have checked so much processes, so many processes. I have not given you one example or two. I have given you so many examples, and now I'm sure that you are convinced by now that what is the product that you need to buy, this Keva's next generation ionizer machines water. Are you convinced? I am. Let me know.